Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about the if, okay, the if conditional or statement. So let's create a simple if statement, which is going to be very simple. So you guys remember that I've talked about in the last video why we need to have a bool data type in order to use the if statement. So the if statement basically works on bool values. So let's just, if you write if true, actually true that way, this is a simple snippet of code, okay? If we do this, we're gonna see the following, okay? So if true, we're gonna print yes, okay? Just that. Let's run this. Very basic, yeah. I've just let me see, I forgot this. Okay. Okay. If true, you guys can see that we have yes. So the thing is, we only execute a block of code with an if statement if we have the true value. Okay, so basically we're gonna have a function which will return a data type, a bool data type, and this could only have two set of values, true or false. If I type false here, which is a value from, or the other possible value for a bool data type, and if I execute, I'm not going to see nothing because this wouldn't be executed. Okay. Anyway, so thanks guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.